Right. Looking at this, we can see that there are 10 ones there. And it's the same as if we just had 110. So 10 ones is equal to 110. We can exchange 10 ones for 110. We can exchange 110 for 10 ones. So if we had 2 1 pennies, we could exchange it for 1 2 penny. If we had 5 1 pennies, we could change it for 1 5 penny. If we had a 5 penny and a 5 penny, it's just thinking about adding. 5 add 5 equals 10. We've now got 20p there, so we've got 20. We could swap it for 2 tens, because if we count in tens, 10, 20. If we have 50p, what could we use? We could use 5 tens, because if we counted in tens, up to 50 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, so we'd have 5 tens. So this slide is basically showing how you can swap different coins to make the same sort of value. So looking at this now, it says the smallest to greatest value. So we need to think about which number is the biggest, which number is the smallest. We've got the 1 penny, then 20, 50, 10, 5, which is the smallest number. I would say 2. And what comes next? 5p. 10, 20, 50, I'd say 10, 20, 50. So these are the coins in order of value. Now remember, when we're looking at greater than or less than, we can use these signs. And remember that the crocodile always eats the biggest number. So we have 2 coins. We need to decide if this coin, 50p, is greater than, equal to, or less than this 5p. Now we should know just by looking at the value that that's 50, that's 5, this is the biggest value, so our crocodile is going to eat 50p. This 50p is greater than 5p. Looking at this one, we have 2p and 20p. 20 has a bigger value even though this coin looks bigger. So the crocodile is going to eat this number. So 2p is less than 20p. Looking at this question here, we have 20p. Now, when we are doing this, we can't think, right, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, they aren't the value. That's just how many coins we've got. So we've got 5p's. 5, 5, 5, 5. Now we need to add these up. We need to count in 5s. So there are 4 coins. We're counting in 5s 4 times. So 5, 10, 15, 20. So even though this is only 1 coin and it's 20, we've made the same amount using 5p's. So this one is going to be equal to. To help you again remember the different coins, you need to think about, look at what are the same, what's the different? Well, the shapes and everything's different. This one's gold, this one's brown. This one says 1, this is 1. But this one says penny and this one says pound, so this one has more value. If we're looking at these two together, comparing these two, they've got the same colours, but this one's a little bit smaller. This one's value is £2. This one is only £1. So if we had 2 of these, 2 £1, it would be the same as this coin. We have the same value as this coin. Looking at these two, pretty much exactly the same colour, same shape. Different values though. This is 1, this is 2. They're both pennies. 2p's bigger. So we have a load of coins here. We need to think about, right, how many 5p coins? So we need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 5p coins. 50p, remember 50p is quite big, it's silver, it's a funny shape. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at the £1, and remember the £1 obviously have it on them. It's gold and silver and it's a funny shape. It's different to the £2. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we have 3 £2 coins left.